welcome to another video from Darren Hickey Hornby GWR. This is the final videos of the Thomas and Friends range. So we'll be looking at the footbridge here, I can't pronounce it, and plus also this crane. So we're going to look at this footbridge first, and then basically from there we'll move on to the crane. So I had to put this into this video as one, and then after that we'll look at a locomotive what I had for Christmas. Was given to me by Father Christmas, and it actually got a sticker on it, so that's really interesting, and plus another crane. And then from there I will say basically what happened, moved away from analog to digital control. So further ado, when I was younger I paid just £12 for this bridge, so yep, and you can see that's what it is. These are the other buildings, as you can see. Apologise if you can hear all this tooting, it's busy road where I am, where I live, so really apologise. You can see the different products you can get, just like that. So the product number for this one, if I can find it, probably on the bottom of the box. You can see the languages. Here you go. It is R9249 footbridge. So I'll put that in the prescription down below. So further ado, let's get this footbridge out. I had to do some maintenance on it because it was broken, being old, and yeah, you see the polystyrene automatically falls away and stuff like that. So you can see it is the reason why I chose to do this video first than anything. Probably have to open the other end of the box to try grab it or try push it out, I don't know. Always these kind of polystyrenes likes to have a little bit of fight with me. There we go. Finally got it out the box, and that was a tough one. So move the lids, because everything white really affects the focus of this camera really badly. So let me just get it out of the bag. So here it is. I had to super glue this back in to place because it totally came apart, and you can see just there I had to super glue it back in because it wouldn't stay in position. There's some writing underneath if I can get it to focus. there you go. Made in China. Hornby Limited, 2006. This is weathered. You can see the rust, everything, and really nice detail on everything. So we're going to now move on to the final part of this video. If I get the camera to focus, is the crane. This is what I paid, £10.20. This is also in the Thomas the Tank Engine Friends range, and that's all the logos you can get as well. And the product number is right there. It's R9223 Goods Yard Crane. So, further ado, let's get this one out. And I will be putting the link if you want to buy this. You can only get these kinds of things now on eBay. So that's it. That's the main crane out, and that's the main body. So this one here operates the arm, as you can see, lifts it up and back down, and the other side here lowers the hook or is it the other way around? No, it's the hook. So yeah, both chains work, so really nice. I think it's just the top one. Yeah, the top one is the one what lowers it, and the top one, the bottom one, actually does the thing. So you just put that in, and that's basically it. That's what it looks like. That's what the detail says. The thing wants to refocus, please. But it doesn't want to focus at all because it doesn't like it. So that's what it is. So got these two, the last Thomas Tank Engine frames and range. So I'm saying a huge thank you to everyone who's enjoyed these videos of the Thomas Tank Engine range. Please subscribe to my channel, please click like, and please leave your comments below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe. There is one more video coming up of the loco I got for Christmas, and another pack with a crane in it, and then that's basically it. So all I can say is a huge thank you and huge thumbs up for all the support. Thank you. Right, guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button, and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.